Howdy, Sean from Perry, Florida. We're actually in Keaton Beach. It's been just a little over a year and a half since Hurricane Helene. A little update what's going on out here. Uh, I'm out here on the boardwalk right now. Spin you around a little bit. Back there, they're still rebuilding. See some of the crews still out there, but still got people going out, going fishing, getting ready to be scallop season. Uh, July 4th. It's usually pretty hot out here. July 4th, I'll be in South Carolina do some Revolutionary War stuff. This video is about the update after Hurricane Helene, a year and a half after. Uh, it was bad out here, September 2024. Some of the crews working on that yellow stilt house there. It's still a little rough out here, guys. FEMA trucks are still up. Some FEMA trucks and trailers still parked out there at the airport here in town. They're still doing things out here. But out here at Keaton Beach is kind of a fishing type village. Retirees. It's slowly coming back. This boardwalk's been replaced already. It was gone. Already some new structures up here, and them blue houses, they're new. There's still some empty pads also out there too. Boat ramp's been redone. Got some boats coming out of the channel from the boat ramp, headed out. Skid steer over there, moving dirt. So there used to be some bathroom facilities out here, and they gone. I don't know when they'll come back, if they'll come back. They're getting away with a couple of them things out there, as far as restrooms. But still a lot of work out here to do. Some. So let's go down the road. They're working. Most of it was gone. These RVs, there were still houses there. So there's the boat ramp. Boat ramp come back. All that was a mess. It's all slowly coming back. Some of the slips had to be redone. It's a little fishing village. Shrimping, oystering, mullet. And that store was completely leveled. I don't think it'll come back. They're working out of them little food trucks now. Yeah, I was completely wiped out. Just the whole thing was leveled. So some things been destroyed. Some things I don't think will ever come back. Some things just going to take some time coming. But this is completely new. This was not here the last time I was here. We're we're way out here off the main road. I mean, we are way off the main road, and DG will find a way to get in the middle of nowhere. I've been coming up and down here since 1985. This is 2026. That wasn't there 2 years ago. It's been a while since I've been out here, but this was a wooded lot. Dollar General just finds a way. All right, guys. So this is gonna do it for this video. If you found it interesting, want to see more, appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Subscribing is completely free, doesn't cost anything. Just puts you in a little list with all your other favorites so you can find me again later. It's what subscribing does. Like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I am getting ready to do a tour of some revolutionary battlefields in South Carolina, July 4th weekend. I'm leaving Tallahassee area Thursday, July 2nd, and coming back the Sunday the 5th. I am traveling without the RV because I have to move fast. I have a lot of places to visit, so I hope to come back and see that video after July. So until then, safe travels, keep campfires burning, and be kind to each other.